So once you're on Temu, and as you can see, I want to order these LED lights, but it says that it's 20 bucks is the minimum to check out. Now what you want to do is go back to your profile and then basically open it up and then scroll down to the footer of Temu. And as you can see, there is the Contact Us button, which is right there at the bottom. Click on that Contact Us button and then click here that you need help. And this window will open. Now what you want to do here is type remove minimum checkout limit and hit enter. You will take a moment before the Temu AI chatbot responds, but just basically say still remove it. And if you want to remove the order checkout, you basically have to have already placed an order on Temu. So just make sure that before doing this, you already ordered something on Temu before removing the minimum order, because as you can see here, you can read it, you cannot enjoy the free shipping, which adds here as a bonus. So yeah, basically, you have to have something ordered before you want to remove your minimum checkout limit.